Hey buddy, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? My favorite Maine Coon, huh? Taking a nap? No, buddy. Yep, today begins. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today is extremely exciting because it's when we start the modifications on the F12. So, I've had my dream supercar now for over 2 months, but she is still bone stock, and that's going to change today. Thanks to Competition Motorsport, we are installing a carbon fiber rear spoiler. Oh yeah. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. I've never ordered any kind of carbon fiber part for any of my vehicles and then have it arrive in this huge, like, Ziploc bag, whatever you call them. That is awesome. Now, we all know that I think this is an absolutely gorgeous car. I've said that a million times already, but the rear end of the F12, unless it is an F12 TDF, it looks kind of bare. If you look at it here, something's missing, in my opinion. It needs a spoiler. So a huge thanks to C3 Carbon for sending me their carbon fiber rear spoiler for the Ferrari F12. This is an autoclaved pre-preg spoiler made in the United States. It's dry carbon, light as hell, and the weave actually matches the factory Ferrari carbon fiber weave. Now, another thing that was extremely important to me before I went ahead and got this spoiler was the fitment. I've had some issues, and I mean, that's pretty normal with aftermarket parts, that it doesn't fit 100%. It doesn't have that perfect OEM fit. And Competition Motorsport, C3 Carbon, they guarantee a 100% OEM fit, and we're gonna make sure that they're telling the truth in today's video. So what we're gonna do is pop the hood of the F12 where there is tons of carbon, and then we'll see if the weave matches up. So it is kind of hard to do this comparison, but I'm just gonna put the spoiler down right here. Yep, and I can tell right away it matches perfectly. The carbon on this spoiler from Competition Motorsport looks exactly like the carbon in the engine bay. That's obviously a factory Ferrari option. Now, this requires no bolting. It's just 3M double-sided tape, and I'm just so excited to get this on the car. It's going to be the first modification for the F12, one of many, of course. This month here is going to be very busy when it comes to personalizing the F12. So before we do this, the trunk lid needs to be really clean, and the car itself isn't really clean, so we're going to start by washing it up. So now that the car is clean, we can begin this installation. Man, I'm extremely excited to see what this actually will look like when we're done. But you know what? We'll actually get a peek here in a second, because I got to position the spoiler first to make sure it's in the spot I want it. Alright, so we have positioned at least where I want it. Now I know exactly where it's going to sit. It actually has a slight tiny little crease right here, which is good for measurement, because the tailgate obviously only goes to here. This part of the spoiler will not be taped down. Pretty self-explanatory there, otherwise I wouldn't be able to open the tailgate or liftgate or trunk, whatever you call it on a Ferrari F12. But check it out. Man, this thing looks so good. Now, since the spoiler isn't very wide, it's only to here, and this is where the tape is, you can actually do this on your own. Preferably you should be, you know, 2 people, but with it being the length that it is, I'll be able to push down on both ends myself at the same time. So we're just gonna use a masking tape here, and then we'll get it on. Okay, so we got the masking tape in order here. Let's just start peeling off some of this 3M tape protector here on each side. Then we'll get it on. Double check the fitment here. So we're going to start with this end here. We'll get rid of the blue masking tape, red, and then we'll pull this. Ah, I forgot to remove that little piece of tape right here underneath. Crap! Good job, Mike. See, this is why I don't work on my own cars. Applying pressure. So what we gotta do now is put more tape and let it sit for a while. Man, the life you live, buddy. Wake up, eat, raise some hell, sleep, and repeat. Okay, so nothing's changed with the cat, but the new spoiler should be solid on the trunk lid here now. So let's remove all the tape. And boom, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The first modification for the F12. So there it is, the first mod for the F12 is in the books, and I love it. What do you guys think? I mean, I think it's the perfect size spoiler. I mean, I need to polish it up a little bit. I got tons of fingerprints and stuff on here, but it looks so good. And a big shout out to Competition Motorsport on this beautiful wing, and thank you to them for sending it to me. Now, if you're watching this video and you have a Ferrari yourself, check out the link in the description. You get $100 off every $1,000 you spend on carbon fiber parts for your Ferrari. Like I've shown in this video here, their quality, the fitment, it's made in the United States, it's top notch. I mean, I really, really like this. And like I said as well, I've dealt with some other carbon fiber over the years, and having good fitment can be kind of hard to find sometimes, but they do a really good job here. So big shout out to Competition Motorsport on this awesome spoiler that we now have on the F12. So this is almost my favorite angle. When you look at the car from the side, it's just, it has such a different profile now with that little wing. Because I mean, it's not very big, but it just so improves the look of the car. I love it. Man, what do you guys think? Look at it. Sick. Oh yeah. I'm happy. I am happy with this. So all I really did, since I messed up a little bit when I was putting the spoiler on and I forgot to take off the red part of the double-sided tape, I went and got an extra roll and just reinforced it a little bit. I just wanted to be on the safe side. But I hope you guys enjoy the first modification to the F12. And if you have either a BMW, a Porsche, Ferrari of course, Lamborghini, even a Ford, Competition Motorsport has you covered. And specifically for F12s, check out the link in the description. Get a nice discount if you find something for your own Ferrari. Not just an F12, but a specific discount for Ferrari owners. So again, huge thanks to Competition Motorsport. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this first modification to the F12. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, and you want to, please subscribe. There's more modifications, more Ferrari videos. Big F-150 update coming here very, very soon. Until next time, bye-bye.